I was under contract at Columbia Pictures for $150 a week. My first movie role was as a bellboy, a bellman.
Bellman in a hotel.
And then there was a guy that was in charge of what they called the new talent program, and he called me into his office the next day, and he said, sit down, kid. He always called me kid. He was about 4 years older than me. He said, let me tell you a story. He said, the first time, you're never going to make it in this business. He said, you just forget about it. You're never going to. He said, the first time Tony Curtis was ever in a movie, he delivered a bag of groceries. A bag of groceries. You took one look at that guy and you said, that's a movie star. And I leaned across his desk and I said, I thought you were supposed to think that that was a grocery delivery boy. He said, get out of my office, which I was happy to do. I was in like 15 years later, and I was in a commissary at some studio, and a waiter came over to me with a little silver tray. I only saw that in movies once. And there was a business card on it, and I picked up the business card, and written on it was, I missed my bet. And I turned it over, and it was the name of the guy. Much to my great immediate pleasure. It still gives me a little bit of pleasure now. I looked around and I couldn't figure out which one he was.